Thinking of buying your first home? Here's the quick guide to getting it right from the start. First up, get your finances in order. Check your credit score, save for a down payment, and budget for those unexpected costs. Next, prioritize your must-haves. Do you need extra bedrooms, a big backyard, or maybe proximity to work? Knowing what you can't live without will streamline your search. Don't forget to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This golden ticket shows sellers you're serious and speeds up the buying process. Now here's a pro tip. Explore different neighborhoods. Spend a day, check out the local shops, parks, and maybe even chat with some neighbors. Getting the lay of the land is invaluable. And lastly, team up with a realtor who gets it. A good realtor will not only find you the best deals, but will also guide you through every step, making the whole process less daunting. Remember, buying your first home is a big step, but with these tips, you'll be signing those papers with a smile. Welcome home. For more tips and hacks, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Happy house hunting!